Hi, welcome to Bonita's Kitchen and thank you for joining us. What I'm going to be making today is a tasty, chunky hot potato salad. Now this is a recipe you can whip up if you're going to have company or you're just not certain what your side dish is going to be for making that day. So if this recipe interests you, it's only a few simple ingredients. Stick around and let's get started. So what you need to do first is peel and cube about 4 potatoes and enough to make 4 to 6 cups of cubes of potato. Put it into some cold water, take some of that starch off. I got a small onion here cut up into cubes. I got a red pepper. You could use a green pepper, yellow, orange, doesn't matter. Cut it into little cubes as well. Now I'm going to strain off this water and put it into my hot pot of water. And I'm also going to say gauge this recipe based on how many people you're going to have. So if you're going to have 4 people, go 4 cups of the potatoes. So add it about a cup per person. This is 1 teaspoonful of sea salt. I'm going to put half of it into this water just to salt the pot there. Get this boiling on a medium heat just till fork tender. We're going to be using 2 large eggs. One of them put in a pot of hot water and boil it. We want it hard boiled. And this one we're going to leave, we're going to put it into this dish and scramble it just... Well, I can do that while we're there. And just mix it up until it's just slightly blended. And I'm going to put this in the pot to boil as well. So what we'll do next, I'll just whisk this slightly, is go to the stove top and fry up our onions and our red pepper just until it's soft. So put a frying pan on your stove top, a medium heat, a drizzle of olive oil or olive choice, and about a tablespoonful, a little bit more of some butter, and let that melt down first. So after your butter is melted, toss in there your small to a medium onion, and again depending on how many you're making this salad for, this hot potato salad, we're going to let the onions fry for a few minutes first because I don't want to overcook our pepper, which is our red pepper today. So now after you see that your onions are starting to soften like this, pop in there 1 full chopped or diced pepper, and I'm using a red one here today, bell pepper, but you could use whichever one that you like eating, I guess, and just let that cook there for a few more minutes. But before we do anything, I'm going to put anywhere from half a teaspoonful to a teaspoonful of black pepper and half a teaspoonful of sea salt, because we already used half into the pot for boiling the potato. 1 teaspoonful of onion powder, and then mix that through. So as you can see, this is coming along nicely. So you decide if you want your peppers to be a little soft or a little crunchy. That's entirely up to you because it's going to be your potato salad, of course. We're going to be putting in there 1 teaspoonful of white granulated sugar. And the reasons for that, I'm going to be tossing in there now a 1/4 cup of white vinegar. And that's going to just bring this together. Look at this, this is coming along nice. So only just put the vinegar in, let it start to go through all of those ingredients there. Then you're going to scoop up a couple of scoops of that into your egg mixture, just to introduce it a little, because if we put it down all at once, it will start to cook too fast. And we don't want to make scrambled eggs. We want to make a delicious chunky hot potato salad. So that's all we need to do there. So I'm going to reduce the heat on this there now because we need to drain off the potatoes and get those put into this. Toss in there another chunk of butter and then all of those potatoes, the cubed potatoes, and I'm going to stir this together. Now it smells absolutely amazing in here today. And at this point of this chunky hot potato salad, you can put in there whatever you like. If you like bacon and you want it to have bacon, that's fine. I'm just going to say fill your boots on that because this is the way that I enjoy making it. But now it's not done at that. We're going to show you a few more things we like to add to it. I just want to make sure all of that butter and that goodness is mixed there together. So now our hard-boiled egg, we're just going to, well, peel them first, of course, and then just cutting in half, cutting sideways, and then into those little chunks the same size as the potato and the peppers. Then we're going to pull in here our, let's grab my spoon, Raymond, our serving plate, and we're going to toss all of this delicious goodness into there. Now can you see yourself just having a spoon here, Raymond? Hey, oh my gosh.
I could easily get one.
I know.
Yeah.
Then top with the boiled egg, hard-boiled egg, and like I said, just cook it while you're cooking your potatoes in another pot and just toss it with some green onion. You could put some parsley there just to jazz it up a little, and a little dash of paprika. Now this is it, as good as it gets. Put another little sprinkle of pepper on there because I like a little bit of that pepper. I'm going to take off a little sample there now, move my spoon or my fork. Don't even know what I got there, Raymond.
No.
And just have a little taste. Oh my gosh, now look at this. Can you see yourself making this today with whatever, your pork chops, your burgers, your
Chicken,
company?
anything at all.
Your company will love it. And when it goes cold, you can eat it cold. But really, it's just an hot potato salad. I'm going to have a little taste there now. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for you guys to make this delicious, chunky hot potato salad. We love it. Drop the fork, delicious, Raymond.
I thought you was going to say spoon again, so.
I'm calling it a spoon because the spoon is in front of me.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, like I said, you can jazz this one up whichever way you like it, because remember, I don't know. I'm not going to know what you put in your hot potato salad, but if you decide to have it this way, you're not going to be disappointed. 2 thumbs up, and I can't wait for you to make it. And if you decide today that this is what you want to make, I'm going to leave the recipe down below this video in the description bar. If you can't find it there, you send me a message at bonnitakitchen@gmail.com. I'd love to send it to you. Or you can visit our website and see all of the steps plus the information you need to make yours today at www.bonitaskitchen.com. I was just told by our trusty camera guy there that he is going to do the burgers today for us to have this delicious salad. Of course, we're not going to put it on the video, but I'm going to be pretty excited that I'm going to be sitting down after this, is what I'm saying, which that's a wonderful thing.
It's what we call 50-50. You done the salad?
Yes.
I'll do the burger.
There you go. Do the burger and have a cold beverage while you're doing it.
Yep.
This is it, guys, as good as it gets. We can't wait for you to make this, and please let us know what you think and what you did different with it to jazz it up for your family today. On behalf of myself and Raymond and our team here at Bonita's Kitchen, we don't want to take any more of your time. We know it's precious. We do enjoy you stopping by every Sunday and watching our new videos. We thank you for that. So on behalf of us and our kitchen to yours, you have a wonderful day. Yeah. the next time you're visiting Newfoundland and Labrador, don't forget to check out the beautiful town of Victoria and join us again on Bonita's Kitchen.
Join us by the sea, a journey in culinary, always an open door. Bonita's Kitchen to yours. Bonita's Kitchen.